Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce customer service wait times with Verizon easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce customer service wait times with Verizon, start by ensuring you have all necessary information. Gather your account details, including your phone number and account PIN. Log into the Verizon website or open the My Verizon app on your device. Navigate to the customer support section from the main menu. Explore the frequently asked questions to find instant solutions. If your issue persists, consider using the chat feature for quicker assistance. You can also browse the community forums for additional support and insights. If you need to speak with a representative, choose the callback option. This allows you to avoid lengthy hold times. Determine the best time to call based on Verizon's support hours. Consider calling during off-peak hours, such as late mornings or early afternoons. When calling, be ready to explain your issue clearly and concisely. Follow the prompts provided by the automated system to streamline your call. If available, use Verizon's virtual assistant for quick responses to common queries. Make sure your device is charged and connected to a reliable network during the call. After resolving your issue, take note of any reference numbers for future inquiries. Using these strategies can help you reduce wait times and enhance your overall customer service experience with Verizon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.